Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be talking about the altcoin Shiba Inu. If you guys have not been paying attention to the 1 hour chart, it has started to form. It's going bonkers. Just in the past 5 hours, we did have a big sell-off and the recovery was even stronger due to the fact a lot of whales decided to put in the buy order close to the 60 mark. Before we get into it, if you guys are here for the first time, do want to stay up to date with everything to do with Shiba Inu, I highly recommend you guys scroll down and tap the red subscribe button. While you're there, also go ahead and slap a like on the video. It is completely free to do so, but let's just see how strong the Shiba army really is. Let's go for a 211 like goal. If we smash that, that would be insane, but other than that, let's get straight into it. So to begin with today's video, first of all, let's look at the 1 hour chart for Shiba Inu, and then I want to show you guys something very interesting on the 4 hour chart. Now the 1 hour chart is a little concerning. You guys can see in the last 5 hours we did have a big sell-off, which actually took us all the way down to 52, which is 0.00052, but then you can see that just this hour there was a huge recovery because two strong buy orders, or the last 2 hours had a lot of strong buy orders that decided to come in. One important thing I do want to point out is you guys can see on the RSI line, when we did have this big sell-off, we did actually go below the bottom line, suggesting that we were in a very strong oversold period. Now this period is not good, but at the same time it is really good because a lot of whales like to buy in when the RSI indicates that there is a lot of sell going on. The reason this red spike actually became a lot bigger than it was supposed to be is because of a lot of panic sellers. If you guys do not know, there was a big whale that decided to dump close to $2.2 billion worth of Shiba Inu back into the market, so caused this red spike. And then a lot of people thought it was just going to completely crash, so they decided to sell with it. And a lot of people also, like one of my friends, decided to take a loss on it. I was like, that is the stupidest thing you can do, because when you do not know what to do not panic sell. Panic selling is the worst thing you can do. Now you can see for today we are up 7%, but the reason behind that is because the day just started in America right here. So after this point, obviously we did come up. That's why we are up 7% today on Shiba Inu. But overall, if we look at the trend, you guys can see it is very clear that the downtrend was starting to form until this specific hour when I'm recording this video. So you can see right here, this higher high was obviously higher than this one was lower than the last one, and exact same thing was about to happen. On the bottom, the same thing is happening, so this lower low is obviously higher than this one, and this one is lower than this one, clearly indicating towards the fact that we were about to get into a strong downtrend. But you can see that the downtrend is completely shattered by this green line as a lot of buy orders decided to come in. I was looking at the orders that were coming in, and let's just say these were very strong orders that decided to come in. But again, this does not confirm that we have completely broken out of the downtrend, so be very cautious and take this as a warning. Make sure you only put in anything in crypto that you do not mind losing. Don't put your whole life saving into it, because you can end up losing it, and that will not be a good thing. Now if we decide to look at the 4 hour chart, you can see in the 4 hour chart it was very similar situation. So after the all-time high we did come down, and then the higher was obviously lower than the all-time high, and this one was lower than this one, suggesting that we were starting to form a downtrend. But this green spike that just came in is starting to give us a small consolidation period to play off. But what is not good is now the 70 mark, which we were trying to make our support, has formed into a resistance, and we will have to break through that for us to keep climbing from this point on in Shiba Inu. Personally, I'm really excited to see what happens, because Kraken, you guys know, they were talking about having Shiba Inu being on their trading platform, did not follow through with their plan, and that is one of the reasons why the spike did come down. A lot of people were angry about it on Twitter. I've seen a lot of rants, but I want to show you guys something very interesting. So pro-Bitcoin senator Kathia takes aim at the SHIB and the other meme token. Bitcoin is only commodity, while meme coins and other crypto assets are securities, said the senator. The US senator does not believe memes such as Shiba and Doge are here to stay. She opined that Bitcoin is only decentralized commodity while the rest of the crypto asset behave like securities. Now me personally, I do not agree with her statement because she thinks that Bitcoin is the only thing that is here to stay and it is a commodity, but the other ones are not. I think she just needs to do a little bit more research and see how strong Ethereum is, and Shiba Inu is inside of the Ethereum contract. And let's just say it cannot be rug pulled because it's way too big, and at the same time the ownership has been re-announced. So I don't know what she's on about, but I do see what she's trying to say. As the US senator, she's not allowed to say, hey, I love meme coins, but at the same time I don't think she had to say anything about, you know, just anything about meme tokens in general. Now this is what I was talking about. Kraken's failed Shiba Inu listing turns into a nightmare for the SHIB army. So Kraken made the announcement saying, we have heard you loud and clear. Community is an important part of our consideration for all the listing, and you are clearly showing your support. There is more work for us to do as we move through our listing review process. Now they went on to tweet out today saying, hey, we were not able to put the listing out. Everyone was waiting and we're sorry. And let's just say the SHIB army did not take that the right way. A lot of people were angry to the fact if you thought that you were not able to do it, maybe don't put the hopes up and don't give us a specific date. Do I agree with that? 100%. If you do not know that you will be able to do it for sure, I think it would be better if you just say, hey, we will be listing it. We will not be giving out a specific date yet. Now moving on, Coinbase Pro adds support for new Shiba Inu trading pair, and the trading pair is obviously between Euro and Shiba Inu. Trading on a SHIB Euro SHIB GBP order book is about to begin. Books will now enter a post-only mode. Customers can post limit orders, but there will no matches. The books will be in post-only mode for minimum of 1 minute. So hey, let's just see. Coinbase, which is one of the largest cryptocurrency platform, believes quite heavily inside of Shiba Inu. So I'm just saying, like, if they believe in it, I'm pretty sure a lot of other people should, without just having a lot of bullcrap, without having any sort of retracement or any sort of good argument against Shiba Inu. Now Indian exchanges pin Doge and SHIB as market's favorite puppers. I mean, if you guys do not know, Shiba Inu and Dogecoin are the most traded cryptocurrency on the Indian platforms such as Vizier X, we showed it yesterday, and a lot of other trading platforms are starting to see that Dogecoin and Shiba Inu are bringing in a lot of profits, so maybe they will get into putting it on their site as soon as possible. Now talking about the price prediction, at the moment we are playing very strong support at 61, and obviously we're a little bit below that, but you know, once we get over it, that is going to be the support we will have to play off. And at the moment the RSI is showing that the decreasing trend line. As I mentioned, it is a risky play at the moment. It would be good to wait and watch because maybe the buy orders will just start to flood in and we will just start spiking up. But if a lot of whales decide to pull out at this point, we might actually go down. So be very careful. But other than that, thank you so much for watching the video till the end. Hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, drop a like on it. If you're new to the channel, do want to stay up to date with everything, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm out.